can earn $1,000 monthly with Facebook uploads. Yes, this is what I mean, and this is what I'm saying. You can earn $1,000 US dollars with Facebook uploads. Hey there, darlings. Welcome back to our channel. This is Immaculate Show, where we explore the best ways to make money online. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can earn 1,000 US dollars monthly with Facebook uploads. When we talk about monthly Facebook uploads, we mean using the Facebook app that you know all. The Facebook app, everybody is having it. Mostly, if I'm not mistaken, it is 99% of all adults above 15. They do access Facebook. So let's go dive in and see. Yes, you have heard me right. Making money on Facebook has never been easier. No, it is no longer hard. If you are looking for you to make $1,000 on a monthly basis, that is on Facebook, or you're wondering how to monetize your content, do you have any type of content, then stick around. By the end of this video, you'll be having a complete guide on how to turn your Facebook uploads into a steady income stream like mine. I've been on Facebook for 3 years, of which 2 years, of course, it was just a foundation. Now I can boldly say that you can earn $1,000 on Facebook. I'll be also bringing for you the examples of different human beings, different content creators. You can see them on the screen, and different individuals both in the United Arab Emirates, in UK, and in Africa, who have been making this amount of money. In fact, they've put everything aside and have focused on Facebook content creation. Before we dive into our main topic today on earning $1,000 or making $1,000 on Facebook, I would love to welcome every person that has been on Immaculate Show. You are so wonderful. You come every day, you come back, you allow us to be on your screen. Thank you very much, you make us. You know, Immaculate Show, we are there to bring the love near to you. We are there to make sure that we talk to your mind and we tell you that poverty is just your mindset. And if you don't hate poverty, you cannot move forward. So if you know you're ready to hate poverty, you know money is around you, success is within you and around you. You cannot hold a phone of more than that much money, of more than that those dollars, and you say you are begging for bread. Let's dive in and see what exactly are we talking about today. We are talking about making 1,000 US dollars on Facebook. And first things first, why and what is Facebook? Why not something else today? First, let's talk about why Facebook. Facebook is a great platform for making money online. You can see, I'll be popping up on our screen the individuals who have solidly made money out of Facebook. Yes, they have not started today. There's always a stage. With over 2.8 billion active users on Facebook on a daily basis, Facebook offers a massive audience that you can tap into. So be ready to join us, to join people and start tapping into this anointing. Whether you're uploading videos, you're sharing photos, or you're posting engaging content, there is always someone who will find valuable or value in what you share. The platform algorithm is designed to promote content that people engage with, meaning your uploads can go viral quickly, leading to more views, likes, and ultimately more money. Let's go to the second part that we're going to look at today. Getting started with Facebook uploads. How do you really start? Because I know you're somewhere there, you say, Christine, you know, Facebook is just a scam. It is for fun. It is for bringing our views out. But there are some people who don't know that it can make money. To start making money with Facebook uploads, you will first need to set up a Facebook page or a group, but major a Facebook page or a profile. I always encourage a Facebook page because it is unlimited, as in terms of followers and in terms of earnings. So the moment you use Facebook page, you even find yourself it is easier to manage it. In any case, you're in a country that is not eligible, you can put admins. Not to go into deep details, we leave that one for another day. This will serve as the hub for all your content. That one is a Facebook page. Make sure your page or your page or profile is focused on a niche. and a niche that you're passionate about, you people. When we talk about being focused on a niche, there are some individuals, especially you find you'll be in somewhere and you say a niche doesn't matter. Niche matters so much. This is how you're going to make money on Facebook. Whether it is fitness, whether it is cooking, whether it is travel, is it DIY projects? Choosing the right niche is very crucial for attracting dedicated audience. Remember, the more targeted, remember you target your audience, the easier it will be to monetize your uploads, and the easier for you to get what to speak, for you to get what you upload. Even if you're sick, even if you're not in good moods, when you have a niche, it is easier for you to do something for yourself. Let's dive in and see types of content, because you're like, okay, Christine, now that you've told us you can monetize our uploads, what exactly can we start? Now let's dive into the types of content that can help you learn $1,000 US dollars on Facebook on a monthly basis. Facebook favors video content, you people. So consider creating engaging videos that resonate with your audience. It favors more of videos, and these videos should be of certain length, that is 3 minutes and above. You can also upload high quality photos, infographics, or even live streams. Yes, there are different types of ads, of monetization, that we'll be looking at. That's why you need to concentrate either on uploads for in-stream ads, or you concentrate on live for live stream ads. The key is to create content that encourages interactions, like shares, comments, and likes. The more engagement your content gets, the higher the chances of being promoted by Facebook algorithm. Recently, I was seeing someone phoned me at work, my workmate. I didn't know he was so into social media entrepreneurship, but because I was editing some video, he was like, Christine, do you have a page? But I'm getting very small money. If you know the money he's getting was too small. But at the end of the day, I found out it is the type of content he's doing that makes him and what he's earning as little as that. So let's see, how exactly can we monetize? What are the strategies of monetization can we make? So how exactly do you make money from your uploads? There are several monetization strategies you can use. And these strategies, we're going to look at them. To mention but a few, I'm going to be giving you like 4 strategies of which you can benefit from them, or you can get one or two, or do all of them. So the first one is ad breaks. Ad breaks, I mean in stream ad breaks or live stream ad breaks. In stream ad breaks, they come from uploads. These are the videos we upload, which are more than 3 minutes. Then live stream ad breaks, they come from the videos which are live, that we go direct and start speaking with the public without editing, but we are live with them. Once your page meets Facebook eligibility criteria, you can start earning through ad breaks. What are the eligibility criteria? It's in a few highlights. Eligibility criteria: you have to be in a eligible country, you have to have 60,000 watch watch hours, the watch minutes for in-stream ads, and 600,000 watch minutes for live stream ads. Another eligibility criteria: you have to meet Facebook monetization policies. Most of us, we go astray on this. There are a number of monetization policies that have made a number of people in these 2.8 billion viewers or users to fail to meet the monetization, to fail to meet the eligibility as far as monetization is concerned. So go to your dashboard and read about the monetization policies for you to be eligible. These are short ad pressed with your videos. These are ad breaks, are short ads pressed within your videos, and you get paid based on the number of views and impressions. The second way for you to monetize, to have a strategy and monetize to get this $1,000, it is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing, we always talk about it. It's like promoting products or services with your content, include affiliate links. When your audience makes a purchase through your link, you earn a commission. I always talk about this different ways for you to earn money when you're seated at home. Now it is easier that you have a social media platform, and in particular Facebook, that is very active and has audience. Go to Amazon, enroll on Amazon affiliate market, affiliate link, affiliate marketeers. The moment you enroll as an affiliate marketeer in that program, you're going to be picking links and put there and sell your products. There are very many platforms that you can do that. Another strategy for monetizing your Facebook, it is from sponsored content. Collaborate with brands, create sponsored posts or videos. Companies are always looking for influencers to promote their products on Facebook. It's there. If you go to your dashboard, you'll find that one. It is there. So the moment you collaborate with brands, you will earn this money. Then another strategy is fan subscription. Fan subscription, as long as you reach a certain amount of followers, a number of followers, you are eligible to be to set up your subscription on Facebook. If you have a royal following, you can offer exclusive content through the subscription. Your fans pay a monthly fee for premium content and you earn a steady income. I've been talking about it several times that we have what it takes, especially us. If you know you're a person who knows how to cook, you know how to teach, you know what to do anything, you can make this work through fan subscription. The last but not least, as part of the strategy, is selling products or services. Most people have done this and we are doing it. I earned from it, though I did not continue, but I used it some time back. If you have your own products or services, Facebook is a great platform to promote them. Use your uploads to showcase your offerings and your sale, and also sell direct to your audience on online stores. I always use Facebook and my page to really promote my products and my services that I offer. So this one is very great. Then let's look at best practices for maximum in earnings. Because there are sometimes when we know that there is money here, but if you don't have a best practice, people will think it's a scam. Facebook is not a scam. You can set an amount of money that you want to earn. The only thing is, are you aware of the best practices, or you're just doing it for the sake of doing? To maximize your earnings, consistency is the key. You guys, consistency is very expensive, it is very hard, it is very costly, but it pays. Post regularly and keep your audience engaged with fresh content. Use Facebook Analytics use Facebook Analytics tools to track your performance and adjust your strategy accordingly. You know, when you go to analytics, you see what you did, you see how many minutes people are watching. For example, they're dropping at 1 second, and your video is for 5 minutes and above. Of course, you know you have to look for ways to keep them engaged, to keep them hooked up, and make sure that they can watch up some time. So that is the first one. Additionally, optimizing your content with searchable keywords can increase your reach. Make sure your video titles, your video description, and tags are optimized for search engine. Keywords like "make money on Facebook" should not miss. Like, for example, if you're into finance or into education about Facebook earnings, and 1,000 monthly shouldn't miss, because it is really searchable and most people are searching for this. And Facebook uploads cannot also miss, because most people are looking for this. Should be strategically these keywords should be strategically included to attract more viewers. You guys, it is very easier for you to earn on Facebook $1,000 and above, especially if we touch right case. You have seen a lot of people that have done great and are still doing great. They have left their jobs, they have concentrated on Facebook as their full-time job. So you can do it, I can do it. Why not? If they have done it, why not us? So there you have it, you guys. This is a complete guide on how to earn 1,000 monthly with Facebook uploads. Making money on Facebook is not just possible, it's something you can start doing today with the right strategy. If you found this video helpful, If you feel you can get a gist out of it, if you feel you can practice something out of it, please don't forget to like it. Don't forget to share it to your friends. And if you haven't subscribed, you can go ahead and subscribe for you to get more tips on how to make money online. And by the way, drop for me your mind in a comment section in form of a comment.